Hey everyone, Procosplay here, and today we have received the package from Procosplay with the Season 4 Flash Suit. Let's see. How do I open this guy? It's so pretty. Oh man. Okay, this is a big bag. So this is their helmet that comes with it. It's made of material, so I don't know if I'm actually going to be wearing it. But it's kind of like a pleather kind of mask here. Like, it's not bad, because it's kind of like a one-size-fits-all type deal, and if I made it so it's a little bit tighter or something, put Velcro on it, it could actually be a decent mask. It's actually not terrible. Look at that. Oh man. I like that. Oh man. That was the hardest part of the entire costume. Yeah, this is like his belt. Look at that. That's pretty sick. Oh man. The details on this are actually pretty decent. Like, you can weather this if you wanted to, but I mean, it's not really necessary. Here we just got like his pants. They actually look pretty well done. Only one. There's a couple loose strings, but with a pair of scissors you can take that right off, which I will be doing. But overall, like, look at that. Does it have pockets though? I don't see any. I don't see any pockets. So there's kind of like basic gloves, but I mean, that's all really the Flash has. He doesn't have, like, his gloves are not the main part of the costume at all. Like, it looks so much better than what they used to make. Like, it actually looked pretty darn good. That's what kind of like made me be like, all right, yeah, I'm gonna buy this. Let's see if I can do this correctly. And there it is, the Season 4 Flash Suit from Procosplay.com. Honestly, it fits phenomenally. I have no issues about the fit of everything. I got the custom size because one, it's like 30 bucks more, but you make sure that you get everything fitting smoothly and nice. And honestly, it fits quite well. The mask, I may try to like edit it for this con that's coming up in the next week, but for the mask, they gotta step their game up. Other than that, the cosplay is fine. For the price, it's definitely worth it. I wish it had some pockets. That's the only thing that every single cosplay should have, because you have your phone, you got your wallet, you got your pass. The heck am I gonna put all of that? So if you want to pick up this cosplay from Procosplay or any single cosplay at all, I'll go ahead and leave a link down below along with a $5 off coupon code that you guys can use at checkout to get $5 off your order. Any single order, doesn't matter what it is, does not have to be a flash suit, could be a wig, anything. $5 off. So for shipping on this, it actually only took about a week and a half to get to me. They were very quick, especially coming off of Chinese New Year, which I actually ordered it like 2 days after Chinese New Year, and I got it within a week and a half, which is pretty darn good. Like, for time-wise, that's really good. I actually did not expect to get this in time for this convention that I was coming up. But that's gonna wrap up today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, leave this video a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time.